Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Hulu detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize sales strategies with Hulu, begin by understanding your target audience. Identify the demographics of Hulu's user base. Research their viewing habits and preferences. Develop a clear marketing objective tailored to this audience. Create engaging ad content that resonates with Hulu viewers. Incorporate storytelling elements that capture attention. Utilize high-quality visuals and sound to enhance your message. Leverage Hulu's ad formats effectively, such as video ads and display ads. Consider using interactive ads to engage users further. Set up targeted campaigns based on user interests and behaviors. Use Hulu's audience targeting tools to refine your reach. Monitor campaign performance metrics closely. Evaluate metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and viewer engagement. Adjust your strategies based on real-time data insights. Test different ad formats and messages to identify what works best. Reassess and modify your approach regularly to improve results. Collaborate with Hulu's marketing specialists for tailored advice. Consider promotional partnerships with content creators on the platform. Explore cross-promotion opportunities with Hulu's original shows or popular content. Stay updated on trends in digital advertising and streaming services. Incorporate feedback from your audience to enhance future campaigns. Optimize your budget allocation based on ad performance. Utilize A/B testing to perfect your sales strategy. Build a cohesive brand presence across all Hulu advertising efforts. Ensure your messaging aligns with your overall business objectives. Foster relationships with Hulu for potential exclusive promotional opportunities. Evaluate the success of your sales strategies post-campaign. Use insights gained to inform future strategies and campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.